Hello, I am Anirudh Sharma and I've graduated from IIT BHU in the year 2021 with a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering after having secured an All India rank of 4948 in JEE 2017. I've come to know that my teacher Shri Rahul Nandan sir has started his venture and I would like to congratulate him for the same. Looking back at the trajectory of my academic journey, his name invariably stands out. I come from a remote part of Chhattisgarh, and back in 2014, I had little access to the kind of facilities available to students in Tier 1 cities across India. This is when Rahul sir became a constant source of guidance and inspiration for me. He encouraged curiosity, critical thinking, and a willingness to experiment, all essential skills that I use to this day. His passion for chemistry was infectious, and his ability to transform complex concepts into engaging lessons made even the most challenging topics fascinating. His door was always open for questions and extra help, and his genuine interest in my success made a world of difference. I am incredibly grateful for the positive impact he has had on my academic journey. His influence has propelled me forward, and I know he has inspired countless other students as well. They are a true testament to the transformative power of a great teacher. Thank you, Rahul sir, for being the catalyst of my journey.